Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a Stick War Legacy mod. So as you can see right there, I literally have like 900 million resources. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this on your device. There's no jailbreak needed, no computer. It is fully working, guys. So if you like to play Stick War Legacy, you're going to love this modded version, guys. It actually works. It's super crazy, so keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. Guys, so I'm going to show you exactly to get this modded version of Stick War Legacy. It is super crazy. So all you got to do, guys, is go over to your browser and you want to go to Google. And once you're on Google, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and we're just going to type in Zoo Mods and then go to this website and then go to the search bar and just type in Stick War Legacy, and as you can see it says Stick War Legacy mod. So just press on it and it's going to start to download. So it's literally that easy, guys. This is super crazy. I can't even believe it actually works, but it does. So if you like Stick War Legacy, you're going to love this, guys. It is super cool, and it doesn't even require a jailbreak or anything like that. So, I mean, I don't care about that stuff, but this method does not require you to do any of that, so it is super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. It actually works. And it's so fun to play with this modded version. So once you're on Google, guys, remember all you have to do is go to the search bar, put in Zoo Mods, go to the website, type in Stick War, if I could be a speller, and there it is, Stick War Legacy mod. So just press on it, it's going to start to download. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, try out for yourself. Get the word out about this tutorial. It actually works. It's super insane. I mean, this is awesome, guys. What the hell, bro? What's going on? So yeah, you've got to try this out, guys, while it still works. It's super crazy. And I love Stick War Legacy. It's one of my favorite games. And now I'm able to get unlimited resources in the game without jailbreaking or any of that nonsense, guys. So what can you say bad about it? Nothing. So I hope you like the video, guys. It actually works. And it's super insane. There are people out there that aren't going to believe me. That's their problem. But if you watch my video till the end, you know this actually works, and it is super cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys later, and peace out.